KENWOOD have created a cutting-edge cooking experience with the new Cooking Chef. And one of the ways they've achieved this is by adding preset recipe programs to this extraordinary machine. There's a wide range of automated recipes available, covering every culinary creation imaginable. You are simply spoiled for choice. The 24 preset programs are found on the user interface, under the menu button. Intuitive to use, you simply click on the wheel to find the one for you. Whether you're after a quick and easy 30-minute meal or want to try something new, it is all here at the touch of a button. With power ranging from 125 watts to 1.5 kilowatts, your chosen meal can be slow-cooked, steamed, boiled, or fried. The program will automatically adjust the power, change the temperature, and regulate the stir intervals. With the preset programs, you will easily master all recipes from patisseries to crowd-pleasing casseroles. Work your way through all the savoury options in the main meals, such as risotto, curry, stir-fries and lasagna. Or in the sweet section, make delicious desserts, delicate sauces or fresh dough. And even impress the kids with your quick popcorn and pastries. The preset programs make the whole cooking experience more instinctive and stress-free. You're able to relax and enjoy the art of cooking to the full, as well as impress your guests with a range of exquisite meals that will be admired and remembered.